very flash. I've treated myself to it. I haven't had a new one for ages. It's got a lovely damped hood, lid. There's lots of little drawers. Allen keys. Some of my pliers. There's specialty tools in here. Soldering iron and stuff. An impact screwdriver. Pin punches and torques and carburetor adjusting tools for the chainsaws. Lovely new spanners, got ratchet spanners, and then I got very nice polished ones as well. These are really good for working on the bikes because they're 6-point. Hammers and big things. Screwdrivers, nuts and bolts and O-rings and split pins and washers, and then the bottom one, a nice new socket set, a Barco one, which is really nice. It's all 6-point stuff. My new torque wrench and infrared temperature sensor, clamp meter, multimeter, stud finder. There's light bulbs, lots of little electrical connections. These little bullet ones that the bikes use. Those. We've got a whole lot of these. You can see them through the bag. These multi-plugs that are good for the bikes. Digital calipers, my super bright torch, and a puller, all the cordless drills and stuff, air impact wrench down there, and bits that I've swapped out on the KTM, they're levers and caps and the old brake disc. So there we go. Da, 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 da.